On today's episode of If It's Not Easy, I'm Not Cooking It meal. On today's episode, we have chicken Caesar tacos. It is best of both worlds. We have the Caesar salad plus with some grilled chicken wrapped up into a crispy taco. Oh my God, you guys have to try this. Let me show you how to do it. Let's go. All right, we went ahead and got some diced chicken from our local store. It makes it so much easier when you're just in a bind and you just want to get something quick. We're gonna throw that into our bowl. We are gonna do some essential blend seasoning from Blackstone. This stuff is really good, which just consists of salt, pepper, and garlic. Just give that a good mixing. Toss that all around. Get that nice and coated like so. We're gonna put a lemon juice in there. I always forget to take off the tag. I don't know why, but in everything I cut, I always forget to take off the stupid tags. We're gonna go ahead and just squeeze the lemon juice in there. Then just mix that all up. This is gonna be ready to throw on the grill. And we're gonna throw this on the Blackstone. So let's set this aside and make our salad. Now on for our salad. We're gonna use a romaine lettuce. Now I always got taught for the romaine lettuce, it's better if you pat it dry after you clean it, wash it off, and then get it patted dry. And then we're gonna cut it up. Like so. And we're gonna toss it into our bowl. So the other half of the lemon, put into our salad, squeeze that on there. Just trust me on this. Just trust the process. And then we're going to put some salt, some pepper. Woo! Let's give that a good mix. And then we're gonna throw in our Caesar. Yeah, I usually shred my own Parmesan cheese, but I was in a big hurry today, so I just got the already shredded, so it's a lot easier. We're gonna mix this all around. We're gonna toss in some Parmesan. I feel like it needs a little bit more pepper and a little bit more salt. And then let's give it a good whirl. I do things always by smell, so let's smell this. It smells good. Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna get our chicken on, and as soon as our chicken is done, we're gonna combine this, and now we're gonna put everything together. Let's do it. Our smoke ready. Our grill is ready to go. We're gonna throw down our chicken. Woo, listen to that sizzle. All right, let's let that cook up a little bit. You want it nice and done. No pink, no pink. So let's let that cook a little bit. All right, our chicken is just about done. Look at this beauty. I had to chop down a couple. That's the problem with getting chopped up chicken already. The pieces come a little bit bigger, so I had to make them a little bit smaller. So we're just gonna go ahead and move this off to the side and get ready for our tortillas. All right, we threw down a little bit of oil down so that we could get our tortillas. Go ahead and lay those down. The idea for this one is you want to try to get it a little bit crisp, so it has a little bit of crunch to it. All right, our tortillas are just about done. We are going to stick them in our tortilla holder. Stick that buddy in there. All right, now we're ready to assemble. All right, now that our chicken is done, we're going to take our chicken and plop it into our salad. Is that a good mixture? We are ready to put it into our tacos. Now that our tacos are done, our shells are done, we're just gonna fill them, taking some of that filling. This shell got messed up. And we're gonna take this. Oh, it smells so good. A little bit of salad, a little bit of chicken. Just like that. And then we are going to top it off with some more Parmesan. So let's just take some croutons. We'll give these a good mash. Throw them on the top. And there you have chicken taco Caesar salad. If you like this and you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe and let's go.